I wanted to show you guys too. It comes with this really cute stand, and I don't know why, I just love that. I just think it looks so nice because you're obviously going to be storing it somewhere, and it looks nice to just have it in a cute little stand. So the first step is you want to put on a face oil. So I'm using this Derma E Essentials Illuminating Rosehip and Cranberry Face Oil. You just want to rub that all into your skin. I really like this face oil. I think it makes your skin just look amazing. It smells just like roses, so that's pretty. So let's rub this all in. What you're gonna do, turn it on, and I'm gonna turn it to at least level 2 because level 1 doesn't have the micro vibration or the ions or something in it. So you're gonna set it to at least 2, and then you're gonna go over for like 5 to 8 seconds in each spot. I go over it about 10 times, so let's watch. I'm going to do it under my chin. So I think already you can see a tighter look. So this is my jawline on this side. This is my jawline on this side. You can see I have a little bit more sagginess, especially right here. I don't have that really as much now. And I do think that it makes my face look thinner. Like, I think it looks more lifted. Let me turn down this light. You can tell that this cheekbone is actually sitting lower, whereas this looks lifted and like snatched in, sucked in. Now I'm going to switch heads on this guy into the tinier eye and lip one, and I'm going to show you what I do with this one. Sorry, my light's a little bright. I do the same thing in the same amount of time, same number of, I guess I didn't wipe in my oil on this side, but I'm like same number, whatever. And we're gonna try it out. Again, I'm gonna set it to like 2. And already you can see like my eye lines and bags, they don't look as dark. I also use it on my forehead and my smile lines, and then I do spot treatments under my chin. So let's check that out. So on this one, I really see an improvement. Like, I feel like my skin looks a lot tighter. The bags and wrinkles don't look as much. Like, I really can see the difference with this machine. I think this machine is great, and I can't wait to keep using it and see the long-lasting effects. I only did this side, and I feel like it really did a nice job. I just really love this machine. Like, in person, I can definitely tell that it's making a huge, huge difference. People have been like, oh my gosh, this side, like, you know, because I've been trying to do it on like one side first and get people's opinion, and people always say right after I use it that like whichever side I used it on looks tighter, looks like more lifted. So I really like this product. So overall, I have to say that I really do love both products. The cleanser, yeah, it did leave some makeup products behind, but I'm really starting to wonder if it's this cleanser, as I've been using the NYX cleansing milk stripped off, and although this smells really good and it leaves your face feeling really nice, it doesn't seem like it washes away all of your makeup, so maybe it could be that. I'm not positive, but anyway, I do really love both of these products. I really believe in both of these products, so if you want to learn more about these products, check the links below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment if you want to see something else, and subscribe if you have not. Bye beauties, love you. Mwah.